Welcome to this rare opportunity in the heart of Woodhaven. This desirable location is close to the shops and dining of Old Town Sherwood and puts you just steps from Sherwood Middle School and nearby parks and trails. It's clear this home has been well cared for, with major updates already done, so you can move right in with confidence. The warm and welcoming main level is designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Formal living and dining spaces offer flexibility, while updated laminate flooring flows through the heart of the home. The remodeled kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and a breakfast bar, opening seamlessly to a cozy nook and the family room, complete with an inviting fireplace. From the family room, step outside to a backyard that truly sets this home apart. The deck overlooks a beautifully designed outdoor space with an expansive paver patio. Upstairs, the home continues to impress. The spacious primary suite features vaulted ceilings and an updated ensuite bath with a soaking tub and separate shower, your own private retreat. 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized and share a convenient Jack and Jill bathroom. Fresh interior paint throughout gives the home a clean, polished feel. Fully fenced and set on a larger lot, something not often found in this neighborhood, this outdoor setting is ideal for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying a rare sense of privacy. With its unbeatable location, meaningful updates, and a backyard that's truly one of a kind, this is a fantastic opportunity in the heart of Woodhaven. Contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group for more information or your personal tour.